What makes Polaroids special? What is it about them that keeps us interested in a market that's dominated by digital photography? Google says, the fundamental quality of Polaroid photography is that you can see the picture on the spot. One of the most basic things you did with the Polaroid is to share it. You take a picture of a friend and you give it to that friend. So with that in mind, I'm going to take some shots with my Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 to share with everyone in video form. Hopefully, this inspires you to take some photos today to share with the people that are important to you in your own life. So here are some of the photos I took today. I really like how each of these turned out, especially the mirror one. It can be kind of hard to get just the right shot using a Polaroid, but that's where some of the charm is, isn't it? There's something special about every picture that just screams nostalgia, and it feels really good to hold each finished product mere moments after taking each shot. It's a very sentimental feeling that can always pull you back to the exact time you took each picture every time you hold it. It's that feeling that makes Polaroid special to me. That one-on-one connection with the emotions you felt the moment you took the shot, forever captured in a photo that was made to share with friends. Hopefully this little video inspired you to go out and take some pictures today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you guys next time.